What's up, everybody? Nick with HJ Cards here, opening up another box of Bowman Chrome 2019 Bowman Chrome Baseball. All right, randomly pick some boxes. It's supposed to be a hot new product. One of those products is going to skyrocket out the gate, I'm sure. Too many boxes per master box, 12-box case. Get this garbage out of here. All right, here we go. Tristan Cassis. We got a green refractor. Sean Shell, 40 of 99. Joey Gallo, Chris Yelich. Pack number 2. Royce Lewis, Perdomo, Stat Tracker, Miguel Amaya, Paul DeJong, Zach Greinke, Wenzel Perez. I think he's one of the guys you want to get. Joe Adell, Nico Horner, hot right now, being brought up September call-ups. It's Arizona Fall League. Eddie Rosario, Cal Quantrill. Nick Madrigal. Sixto Sanchez. He's been a prospect since God knows 2010. Jonathan India, Elite Farmhands. Insert. Miggy Cabrera, Mark Trumbo. Logan Gilbert, Hansel Moreno, Stat Tracker Nick Madrigal, Bryce Wilson, Danny Jansen, should have our autograph in here, Colby Allard, rookie, Willie Adames, Hans Kraus, Brian Abreu, and our first autograph is Alejandro Kirk for the Blue Jays. All right, next up, pack mini box number 2, pack 1. Alex Kirilloff, refractor number 499. Bryce Harper base. There are photo variations on some of the rookies, I believe, in this product. Obviously, that's, you got to figure those out when you start sorting them. Jordan Yamamoto, Tim Tebow, first Bowman. I don't think that's an SP. I don't think. Bryce Terang, Stat Tracker. Chris Bryant, Clayton Kershaw, base. Oh, there's a Fall League auto in here, I think. Dave Peralta base, Grayson Rodriguez, Jesus Sanchez, Ryan McKenna, regular Fall League, and our autograph is 223 of 250. Oh no, it's not an autograph. I lied. It's Buddy Reed. It's just a refractor parallel. I was wrong. Mackenzie Gore, Nick Prado, Shohei Ohtani, refractor number 499. 314 of 499. John Duplantier, or Duplantier. Ryan Rollison, Aramis Adaman, Connor Scott, Stat Tracker, Corey Kluber, Chris Davis. Looks like, just for you guys, looks like all the autographs, at least in this case, are the last pack. All right, Taylor Ward rookie, Josh James, Joey Bart prospect. And the autograph is Gregory Guerrero. Is he related to Vladdy Jr.? I don't know. All right, that does the second box. On to the next one. You can find all these cards on eBay. HJ Cards on eBay. HJ_cards. They'll be up on the site tonight. See you on the next one.